What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name's Colton. Today I'm going to be showing you how to link up your Nest Thermostat to a Google Home Mini. Now the steps I'm about to show you aren't confined to just connecting to a Google Home Mini, but a Google Home in general. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we ask you to subscribe. The reason for that is we produce project videos and review videos in helping you know the easy and simple steps that it takes in turning your house into a home. If you want to see other project videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right up here. The time that it takes to sync up your Nest Thermostat to your Google Home was anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, so let's get started. Open up your Google Home app or go download it if you don't already have it downloaded. You won't see your Nest immediately available, so hit the menu and hit Home Control. Here we'll show all of the devices that are currently linked up to your Google Home account. Hit Add and scroll down to the Nest icon. You will then be taken to a permissions page allowing your Google Home to control your Nest. You need to hit Accept in order to continue. Google will then link your Nest account, assuming that you've already made one previously. Select the Nest device that populates and you can now assign it to a different room. Assigning your thermostat to a specific room will allow you to give Google commands such as, "Hey Google, lower the temperature in the hallway." Once a message of "You're all set" comes up, hit Got it, and I would recommend testing when you're done. Hey Google, what's the Nest set to?
Heating is set to 68.
Hey Google, set the temperature to 73.
Okay, setting the Nest to 73 degrees.
Hey Google, set the temperature to 68.
Sure, setting the Nest to 68 degrees.
Thanks for checking out today's video. If you want to see other project videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right here. And don't forget to click on this link to subscribe so you don't miss out on future project or review videos that we have in the pipeline. Also be sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram account that you can find right here. If you have any questions, comments, or issues in connecting your Nest Thermostat to your Google Home, put those down below. I'll get to those as soon as I can, and we'll see you next time.